Alright, so when I was a younger man, I did have a Commodore 64 that I worked and saved for to buy. But I used to always see after I got mine, I used to see the Amiga in the game stores and stuff, the Amiga 500, and no way I could afford that thing. It's like $1,000, I think, at the time, which US dollars. One of the games I used to see all the time was the GFL Championship Football, you know, the one that had the first person view. Well, I have it now. I used to dream about it. I do have it in my Amiga now, which is there. I actually have the Amiga monitor. Actually, I have an Amiga 500, 1000, 2000. The Amiga 1000 is complete with the boxes and everything. This is a monitor from it. But yeah, I remember buying this game for the Commodore. Sweat.
What good would it do? They'll know tomorrow anyway.
Oh, there we go.
You, not me. Why do you always bring that?
Ah, just like Madden.
Was your idea. Why do you
Don't know
always
what to
bring
do.
that?
Oh, how about that? Oh, okay. Gotta push over. Oh, so hard. We're just gonna go for it. I don't know what I'm doing. Go. Guess we're waiting for them to make their pick. I don't know. Oh man, man. Oh, God. Oh, I have no idea what I'm doing. God, this game is so hard. It's impossible. I guess we just have to cover the receiver. What the hell is happening? I don't know if there's a special team going on. We should be going for a field goal in there. It's good. Oh, maybe. Did it go through? Oh, it did. Okay. There, here we go. Now I'll see if I know what I'm doing. Oh, Jesus. What happened? What happened? I want to complete a damn pass. Oh. Third and 16. Oh, 6 yards and now let's go first play. Dear God. What's happening? Alright, Jesus, about time. Has anybody ever completed a pass in the history of this game? I don't think I've ever have on the Commodore version or this version.